The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 is set to redefine what we expect from a foldable smartphone in 2025. For years, Samsung has led the charge in foldable innovation, and with the Fold 8, it's clear the company isn't slowing down. With carbon fiber durability, a redesigned crease-free display, the return of the S Pen, advanced performance upgrades, and even multiple design options, this is shaping up to be one of the most exciting smartphone launches of the year. Let's dive deep into everything we know so far about Samsung's most ambitious foldable yet. A new era of durability with carbon fiber. One of the most talked about upgrades is Samsung's use of carbon fiber for the rear plate of the Fold 8. This material is known for its exceptional strength while remaining lightweight, making it ideal for a foldable smartphone. Carbon fiber ensures that the Fold 8 can withstand the rigors of daily use without becoming bulky or fragile. This change is more than just cosmetic. It reflects Samsung's long-term vision of creating foldables that don't just look futuristic but also last longer. Carbon fiber makes the phone feel premium while improving portability, striking the perfect balance between toughness and elegance. The S Pen returns. Smarter than ever, fans of the Galaxy Note series will be thrilled. The S Pen is officially returning with the Z Fold 8. This time, it's rumored to be slimmer, lighter, and battery-free, which means no more worrying about charging your stylus. For students, professionals, and creatives, this is a game changer. Whether you're taking handwritten notes, sketching ideas, editing documents, or multitasking across apps, the S Pen makes the Fold 8 more than just a phone. It becomes a productivity hub. Mont Flex display, say goodbye to the crease. Samsung is reportedly equipping the Fold 8 with its all-new Mont Flex display technology. This innovation promises a thinner, lighter, and more durable foldable panel, designed to minimize or even eliminate the crease that has frustrated foldable users for years. On top of that, the redesigned hinge mechanism is expected to create a smoother folding experience, making the device feel more like a single continuous screen. For gamers, movie lovers, and multitaskers, this means an immersive, distraction-free experience that feels closer to a traditional flagship smartphone, only smarter and more flexible. Two designs, one smartphone for everyone. Samsung knows not every user has the same needs. That's why rumors suggest the Fold 8 will come in two different design variants. Tall aspect ratio model, perfect for users who want the Fold 8 to feel like a regular smartphone when closed, but still expand into a large screen when opened. Square 18:18 aspect ratio model, designed for productivity and entertainment, giving a tablet-like experience for split-screen multitasking, streaming, or reading by offering two styles. Samsung is making the Fold 8 more versatile, ensuring it appeals to both casual users and power users. Bigger battery. Bigger possibilities. Battery life has always been a major challenge for foldables. Thankfully, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is rumored to feature a massive 5,000 mAh battery, a big jump over its predecessor. This means more hours of streaming, gaming, and multitasking without constantly reaching for the charger. Pair this with Samsung's latest power optimization features and faster charging support, and the Fold 8 could finally deliver the all-day endurance users have been waiting for. Cameras that rival the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Photography fans won't be disappointed. Leaks suggest that the Fold 8 will borrow the camera system from the Galaxy S26 Ultra, which means next-level zoom, sharper night shots, pro-grade video recording, and AI-enhanced photography tools. This transforms the Fold 8 into not just a foldable device, but also a flagship camera phone, giving you the best of both worlds: versatility and premium photography. Performance. Power meets intelligence. At its core, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, paired with advanced AI-driven optimizations. This means smoother multitasking, faster app launches, and an overall experience that feels ultra-responsive. Combined with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, the Fold 8 is positioned as a powerhouse for professionals, gamers, and content creators alike. A glimpse at Samsung's triple folding future. While the Fold 8 is the star of 2025, Samsung is already looking ahead. Reports suggest the company is working on a triple folding smartphone, which could debut in the near future. This ambitious project would expand the concept of foldables even further, giving users a device that unfolds into a tablet-sized screen for ultimate productivity and entertainment. The Fold 8, then, isn't just an upgrade, It's part of a bigger roadmap to keep Samsung at the forefront of foldable innovation. Competing in a crowded market, Samsung faces increasing competition. With Apple rumored to be developing its first foldable iPhone, the Fold 8 is strategically positioned to stay one step ahead, offering better durability, better performance, and smarter features than rivals. By solving real user pain points like weak batteries, visible creases, and lack of durability, Samsung is making sure the Fold 8 appeals to a wide audience, from tech enthusiasts to everyday users. Final verdict: the foldable to beat in 2025, the Samsung Galaxy Z. Fold 8 isn't just another smartphone upgrade, it's the boldest leap forward in foldable technology so far. With carbon fiber durability, Mont Flex displays, a redesigned hinge, powerful cameras, a massive battery, and the return of the S Pen, Samsung is sending a clear message: foldables are here to stay. This device represents more than just hardware. It's a vision of the future where our smartphones adapt to our needs instead of the other way around. If the leaks are accurate, the Fold 8 could easily be remembered as the device that took foldables mainstream. Samsung is once again preparing to make waves in the smartphone world with its upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8. This device is shaping up to be a true game changer, packed with premium materials, advanced display technology, and powerful performance upgrades. Let's break down everything we know so far. Stronger and lighter with carbon fiber. The Fold 8 is expected to use carbon fiber on its rear plate, making the phone lighter yet more durable than ever before. This move balances strength with portability, solving one of the biggest challenges in foldable phone design. The return of the S Pen. One of the most exciting upgrades is the return of the S Pen. This time, it's rumored to be slimmer, lighter, and may not even need an internal battery. That means faster note-taking, sketching, and multitasking, all without worrying about charging. Mont Flex display technology: Samsung is set to introduce its new Mont Flex foldable display. This innovation promises a thinner, lighter, and stronger screen with reduced crease visibility. Alongside this, a redesigned hinge will provide a smoother and more seamless folding experience. Two designs for different users. Reports suggest that Samsung might offer two Fold 8 variants. One will maintain the tall aspect ratio we've seen before, while the other could bring a wider, almost square 1818 design, perfect for multitasking, productivity, and entertainment. Bigger battery and improved camera's battery life has always been a concern for foldables. The Fold 8 may come with a massive 5,000 mAh battery, paired with a slightly larger inner screen for gaming, streaming, and reading. On top of that, it could borrow the camera system from the Galaxy S26 Ultra, bringing flagship-level photography to the foldable lineup. Samsung's vision beyond Fold 8. The Fold 8 isn't the end of the story. Samsung is already exploring triple folding smartphones, which could take multitasking and portability to the next level. With Apple also rumored to enter the foldable race, Samsung is positioning itself to stay ahead of the competition.